welcome to my makeover video. I'm finally going through with it. I'm just gonna take you along with me on this beautiful makeover that I'm very excited about, so. Look like a pilgrim. I'm reshaping my eyebrows. I've been wanting to reshape my eyebrows for a while. Basically, just make them like that. I'm just gonna be cutting out all that hair. I know this is weirdly close, but this is just so you can see how I do it. I'm gonna be using an eyeliner to outline exactly where my brows start and end kind of thing, you know? So now it's to pluck. So we have done one eyebrow. Look at them eyebrow hairs, boy. Yummy. Now I have to do this bad boy side. So eyebrows are finished. This is crazy. So we are back and now we are dyeing my hair. We are bleaching my hair. Mind the redness on my face. It is because your girl decided to pop some acne. It's not a great look, I know. So right now we're just gonna be doing chunky blonde bits. So this should be fun. It's like some first lady type hair. Look how scary this glove is. I used this glove for red hair dye. It's all dried out now, but look how scary that looks. That's my cat hissing in the background. This looks morbid. So I have my hair trimmed back, so I'm ready to go. Here is the bleach. I have lavender since I don't want super yellow hair, you know, it's kind of nasty. Yeah, let's get down to it. So I predicted what happened, which is my hands got dyed red. Edgy. Well, I'm just chilling with my bleached hair, you know, straight vibing. It's a look. It's a look. So my hair has been sitting in bleach for a really long time. So I'm gonna go and wash it out. I'll be right back. So here's my hair, guys. It's very light. So we are going to tone it. Wow. So we've had the toner in for a long time. So now we're gonna wash it out. You can say hi to my mummy. Hey guys, so it is the next day. This is what my hair currently looks like. It's very light, and now we're just gonna be dyeing where I left the roots here, you see? We're gonna be dyeing the whole strands black. You know, we be edgy like that. I'm very excited and looking forward to it. So this is my prestigious mom, who you probably see in all my hair videos because she helps me a lot because I cannot manage my hair independently because it's whack. So we're just gonna get down to it and we're gonna start time lapse now. There. Look at that. It was gone. It was gone.
I did the perfect amount. And I got to show off my face next to a shirt. Oh, plug.
Wow. Look at that. It's so good.
2 hours later.